called Thug Up, get some more smoke. You know when you hear that, I fuck with me, I gotta get my money. Fuck pop, nigga. Get my shit. Heel popper, Chevy pusher, outside chopper, wetter in the bushes. Niggas show out, these bitches looking. Bottle, let's get some pussy. She like sex, I like head. 4 bitches plus me, 1 bed. Rubber bands, fresh clothes. Hit the mall and buy everything a nigga want. All I need is more gold. Now I wanna ride gold. Rocking all of these shows, putting on for these hoes. You know you got the juice when everybody say they knew you. Tell my haters suck a dick and swallow everything I'm doing. All my life, I've been waiting on it. You see me come up, why you hating on it? I had to work, you kept on playing. Now that I'm on, fuck is you saying? You so mad, why you mad? Thought we was cool, but you mad. You so mad, why you mad? You hate them first, you want me last. You so lame, what you smoking? I pass, that ain't gas, I don't want it. You so weak, nigga, where your heat? You don't never pull up stunting in the street. What's on your wrist? You ain't got shit. I'd be mad if I was you, cause you not it. Bad bitches, they don't fuck with you. You been hustling way too long, fuck up with you. Hey. Versace, the Goose and Patron, and VI I'm blowed. I feel like I'm on. If this isn't popping, then wait till my album is dropping in stove. Bitches be sweating and niggas be jeffing. See me and tell me I got it, I'm reppin'. When I'm not around, they smells a frown. Niggas be switching and wanting my crown. All my life, I've been waiting on it. You see me come up, why you hating on it? I had to work, you kept on playing. Now that I'm on, fuck is you saying? You so mad, why you mad? Thought we was cool, but you mad. You so mad, why you mad? You hate them first, you want me last.
Droid by Motorola. When it matters,
100.
Droid does.
This beat is so
Verizon, $100 off when we trade
Everybody in the
smart.
town wear them glasses, just be honest. I'm young Gurk, I'm doing my thing too honest. Only nigga that sound like he gon' go industry, just be honest. A lot of them niggas don't really sound like nothing but local, just be honest. I'm just saying what everybody wanna say, just be honest. Young nigga don't give a fuck 100. Smoke all my damn overs up, no sense of hustling chronic. Buy 30 pack of them Dutch, just be honest, we gon' smoke us. But small heads at the stove, get a pound of more off at the dope. Ain't no secret, I got hoes, I don't fuck the ones I know. Ain't no pussy like new pussy, cause oh fuck what they done told you. Early morning I'm trapping, I done fucked up my pack. Now I'm looking for a sucker, hoping I can overtax him. Don't show no signs of fear, that's the first way you get robbed. I'm gon' reach mine for you, cause your boy went on this job. To be honest, I can't trust no motherfucking body. I'm paranoid when I'm riding, no license on me, but I'm driving. I'm the middleman in my trash pocket, my big cuz he got it. And I'm just being honest, get it low like I got it. I got a bitch black and Caucasian, smoke dried grapes that ain't raisins. Take a whole number and don't say this, I just asked to see if the whole basic. I told the AFC like I play with the Chiefs and got a bitch in Denver, I call Casper. Only see her when she under sheet and then I get ghost like I'm life after. My niggas mainly, I'm a crack baby, straight out the 80s like Jerry Curls. Played bitches since preschool and ended up with a baby girl. It's a crazy world but I don't cry about it, just chase cushion every dollar. Not in that exact order, just money and guns, I'm a house order. If I can't afford it, I'ma hustle for it. Die trying like 2 quarters, make $1 million like 50 did and say fuck rap cause I sold water. Funny cause I sold water in 06 with my big partner, Big Rick, rest in peace. OG was a real rider, I was raised by a real homicidist. I'm just being honest, as a teenager on YouTube with a real chopper, be honest. Y'all go on it.
These niggas hating on me cause I'm too honest. I'm too hard for these haters, what they gon' do about it? I told you from the get-go, I blow crime. Get your girl away from me, you don't know here's where you can find me at. I show up where your mommy at with a sawed off behind my back, back the rap. I bring it back to that. Before you bloody like a Tampax, or covered up like some rat. You better peel like a Xanax. Fact, I've been the best lyricist on wax. That's why you ain't hearing it. In fact, I put in my work and gave birth to the K. That's why most of you ladies are period. You delirious. How we the man? To most people, I look mysterious. Is you serious? To see me, you gotta point at the top like a pyramid. Cause I'm high up, climb up. If you on the verse, it's like Black Friday. You better line up. Let me break it down. I'ma grind up. Get it? If you didn't, then that means I'm over your head like a skull cap. They mad cause I'm probably top 3 in KC and that ain't the city I was born in. These niggas ain't on me cause I'm too honest. I'm too hard for these haters, what they gon' do about it?